Imagine you're in a crucial business call, discussing a deal that could make or break your company. Suddenly, a technical glitch occurs, and the call drops. You're left wondering if you'll ever remember all the important details. Now, imagine you could simply replay the call, capturing every word and nuance. That's where RingCentral's call recording feature comes in. But here's the question. How long does RingCentral keep these recorded calls? In this video, we'll dive deep into RingCentral's call recording policy and explore the factors that influence how long your recordings are stored. Understanding RingCentral's call recording policy. RingCentral offers two primary call recording options. Internal recording. This allows you to record calls directly within the RingCentral platform. Third-party recording. You can use a third-party recording service integrated with RingCentral. While both options provide recording capabilities, the storage duration might vary depending on the specific service you're using. Factors affecting recording storage duration. Several factors can influence how long RingCentral stores your recorded calls. Your RingCentral plan. The type of RingCentral plan you have will determine the default recording storage duration. Higher tier plans often come with longer storage periods. Custom storage settings. RingCentral might allow you to customize your recording storage settings, enabling you to specify how long you want to keep recordings. Legal and compliance requirements. If your business is subject to specific legal or compliance regulations like HIPAA or GDPR, RingCentral might have retention policies in place to adhere to these requirements. Third-party service policies. If you're using a third-party recording service, their storage policies will apply. Internal recording storage. Generally, RingCentral's internal recording feature provides a default storage duration for recorded calls. This duration can vary depending on your plan. However, you might be able to extend or shorten the storage period through your RingCentral account settings. Third-party recording storage. When using a third-party recording service, the storage duration is typically determined by the policies of that service. Some third-party providers offer flexible storage options, allowing you to choose how long you want to keep recordings. Others might have fixed storage durations. Best practices for managing recordings. To effectively manage your recorded calls, consider the following best practices. Review and delete regularly. Periodically review your recorded calls and delete any that are no longer necessary. This can help save storage space and ensure compliance with data retention policies. Consider cloud storage. If you need to store recordings for an extended period, explore cloud storage options that can provide ample storage capacity and scalability. Implement data retention policies. Develop clear data retention policies that outline how long you need to keep recordings for legal, compliance, or business purposes. Securely store recordings. Ensure that your recorded calls are stored securely to protect sensitive information from unauthorized access. The exact duration that RingCentral keeps your recorded calls depends on various factors, including your plan, custom settings, legal requirements, and third-party service policies. By understanding these factors and implementing best practices for managing your recordings, you can effectively leverage RingCentral's call recording feature while ensuring compliance and protecting sensitive information. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.